Morning students, today we are going to complete the 6th unit complete study material. Now open your page number 81 in your study material. Here are the glossary meanings and question and answers in page 82, 83 and 84. Reading B, Plea for India, glossary question answers, go through them very well. And 86, unit 6, reading C, glossary and questions. So this is your part to read so that you will understand once again the lesson. Now coming to your reading comprehension, which is given to you on page 87. Read the passage and answer the following questions. This is from reading A. My childhood. One day when I was in the 5th standard at the Rameswaram Elementary School, a new teacher came to our class. I used to wear a cap which marked me as a Muslim, and I always sat in the front row next to Ramnath Sastri, who wore the sacred thread. The new teacher could not stomach a Hindu priest's son sitting with a Muslim boy. In accordance with our social ranking, as a new teacher saw it, I was asked to go and sit on the back bench. I felt very sad, and so did Ramnath Sastri. He looked utterly downcast, and I shifted to my seat in the last row. The image of him weeping when I shifted to the last row left a lasting impression on me. After school, we went home and told our respective parents about the incident. Lakshman Sastri summoned the teacher and in our presence told the teacher that he should not spread the poison of social inequality and communal intolerance in the minds of innocent children. He bluntly asked the teacher to either apologize or quit the school and the island. Not only did the teacher regret his behavior, but the strong sense of conviction Lakshman Sastri conveyed ultimately reformed this young teacher. Now here are the question and answers for us. Complete the question and answers. Whose experience were described in the passage above? Now whose experience we are observing? APJ Abdul Kalam's experience were described. Why was the speaker asked to go and sit in the back bench? As the new teacher could not tolerate a Hindu priest's son sitting with a Muslim boy. The passage says that Lakshman Sastri was a supporter of social inequality. Option C is the right one. The two close friends mentioned in this passage were the speaker and Ramnath Sastri according to the passage given here. Choose the sentence that indicates the relationship between the speaker and Ramnath Sastri. The image of him weeping when I shifted to the last row left a lasting impression. Now coming to the next, reading B, A Plea for India stanza. Let us control the riots which leave us with no choice but to hang our heads in shame and say we have miserably failed, we have the power to win, and why not end this din? We have no choice but to hang our heads in shame because of riots and violence that leave many people dead. Option C. According to the poet, we have miserably failed in controlling the riots. Option B. We should end this din, the noisy disturbance, to achieve unity and harmony in our country, in the country. Next, reading C. Read the passage and answer the following questions. Unity in diversity. The great symbol of dance is Shiva, the cosmic dancer depicted in sculpture and poetry as Nataraja. Similarly, the classical theatre in India has a history of more than 2000 years. It was performed in palaces and in temples. The classical plays combine music and dance, tragedy, verse, and is still discouraged. Otherwise, the range of themes covered is wide. It is the strand of cultural unity running through the country that we are heir to and to which people in the West are increasingly turning now. It is up to the younger generation to uphold this torch of cultural unity for the rest of the world to see, follow, and emulate, and not to uphold this torch of cultural unity and material achievement of the West, where man has set foot on the moon in his quest for space travel, but finds himself isolated in his own society and community. Who is known as cosmic dancer? Lord Shiva. What type of plays were discouraged by the Indian classical theatre? Tragedy. Choose the statement that shows that dance had been given a prominent role in the ancient days. It was performed in palaces and in temples is option B. Which of the following were included in classical plays? Music and dance, option A. According to the author, the responsibility of a younger generation is to uphold this torch of cultural unity, option C. Next, try to do this passage. We have only 2 questions, complete them. Now going with the grammar part, edit the following passage correcting the underlined parts. Already we have done many exercises, so it will be easy for you to complete now. Some people are against prohibition. Accordingly to them, accordingly is error. Now what is the correction? According. It will never be success. Success change to successful. They point out certain difficult on its way. Now difficult change to difficulties. Through prohibition, the government lost a very good source of income. Can we say loss? No. So we lose or lose, you can write anything. Besides, it leads to illicit distillation. Combine the following sentence using the words whose. Mr. Narayan doesn't like publicity. Mr. Narayan's books are bestsellers. Now we should add whose. Where do we add? Mr. Narayan, comma, whose books are bestsellers, comma, doesn't like publicity. So this is a non-defining relative clause as it had an extra information. Combine the following sentence using present participle. He is a great scientist. He is always busy. Present participle. So is going to be changed into being. Being a great scientist, he is always busy. Change the following sentence into passive. I can still feel the surge of pride in earning my own money. The surge of pride in earning my own money can still be felt by me. Now change the following exchange into reported speech. Anil said, did you enjoy it? Satya said, I have just come back from my holiday in Ooty. Now first one is interrogative where second is assertive. Anil asked if she had enjoyed it. Satya said that she had just come back from her holiday in Ooty. Now combine the sentence using adverbs such that the boy has very fine manners, everyone likes him. In the place of very, we are going to change into such. The boy has such fine manners that everyone likes him. I will go to a park, I will go to a movie, use either or. I will go to either a park or a movie. I shifted to my seat in the last row. I saw Ramnath Sastri sweeping. Combined with as. As I shifted to my seat in the last row, I saw Ramnath Sastri weeping. I don't want to travel in the first class. I can't afford it. I don't want to travel in the first class. Adding besides, I can't afford it. Animals need food, plants need food. Use not only but also. Not only animals but plants also need food. My house is dash all the houses in my village. Now fill in the blanks with the suitable preposition. First one is a compound prepositional phrase given to you. What do we add? On behalf of, apart from, for the sake of. The right answer, apart from means separate. What is the exact time? It's 7 minutes dash 5. What is the simple preposition we add? Either for, to, in. The right answer, to. Fill in the blanks with suitable forms of verbs given in brackets. When we dash the auditorium, the program dash. So when is the conveying the statements which were already completed. So earlier action, later action is observed. What is the earlier action? Program starting is earlier. The latter action is reaching there. So first answer, V2 reached. Second one, had plus V3 had started. Yesterday we dashed lunch when the postman dashed. Yesterday is a time indicator talking about past, but during that time what is happening? Were having in the first blank, arrived in the second blank. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. Mark the omission of the article with X mark. Murthy joined dash 3-year course and he has been causing trouble since dash day he joined. So Murthy joined a 3-year course causing trouble since the day he joined. You to your friend, your car broke down, you are getting late to office, advise your friend to book a taxi using its quiet time. It's quiet time, you booked a taxi. Changing the book into past form. Your friend is wounded, advise him to see a doctor. You should consult a doctor. Or if you want, you can write in your own choice of other models. Change the following into polite request. You to a stranger, tell me how to fill this form. So we have many models of writing polite requests. Now I am going to give you, please tell me how to fill this form. What do the following sentences mean? Put a tick mark against the right answer. We had better stay in our own garden today. What is the option we'll take? Expressing an opinion. Option D. What? Are you out of your mind? Showing surprise. Option C. Creative expressions. Go through all these creative and start writing in your notebook. Daily one creative writing should be written by you. So totally 4 creative writings you will complete. Now turn your page. Here are the WH framing questions. So this is the end of the lesson, last lesson to write the WH framing questions. It is true that superficial observers are likely to be bewildered by the astonishing variety of Indian life. So first one, underline the astonishing variety of Indian life. This is the answer. Now how do we frame the question? Why are superficial observers likely to be bewildered? Now second, they fail to discover the one in many, the individuals in the aggregate, the simple in the composite. Underlined is the one in many, the individual in the aggregate, the simple in the composite. Now framing a question, what did they fail to discover? Did plus V1. Third, with them the whole is lost in part. What is needed is the superior interpretation. The superior interpretation is underlined. What is needed is a question. Fourth one, Sir Herbert Risley, underlined. And sentence has rightly observed, beneath the manifold diversity of physical and social type languages, customs and religions which strike the observer in India, they can still be discerned a certain underlying uniformity of life from the Himalayas to Cape Comorin. Now Sir Herbert Risley, who has rightly observed. Next last question, what can still be discerned? Now these are the WH framing question answers. Check it now. Next, going with the paper 2 model, it's a general passages. So you try to complete and check your answers at the end. Page number 92, 93 and 94 jumble statements. Here we are going with the vocabulary part, synonyms. See, here is the paragraph given, write the synonyms. Many, some, qualities, particular, hereditary are the words given in the box. Now underlined are the words where we have to write the suitable meaning. Now inherited, what is the answer for inherited according to the box answers given? Hereditary. Characteristics, qualities. Specific, particular. Certain, some. Next, antonyms. Matching is provided to you. After reading this paragraph, the answers you have to select. Now sudden. Sudden, what do we write the opposite? Gradual. So 3. Demand, supply. Collect, distribute. Sell, buy. Now 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. You try to do yourself and check your answers at the end, followed with creative expressions of paper 2. After writing creative 1 for 4 days, next onwards try to complete the other 4 days writing this. 5, 5th day 26A, 6th day 26B, 7th day 27A, 8th day 27B, and finally 9th day tree diagram should be converted into paragraph in your own words. So how many days we are taking to complete this creative expressions? Total 9 days. If you start from tomorrow or from today, if you take, it will be easy for you. So this is our end of your study material completion. Next, general grammar we are going to start. The first is the vocabulary part of unit 1, the positive, negative qualities with their meanings. So first, beginning with positive qualities and their meanings, read it 1 to 28. Next, negative qualities from 1 to page number 98, 29 were there. Finally, one word substitutes of all lessons. Please go through this. These are very important for the public examination. so that you will end the unit 1 completely positive and negative qualities, followed with all the lessons one word substitutes. This is the end of our class. Thank you. You have a nice day.